Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The present writ petition has been filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, seeking appropriate directions against the respondent authorities for redressal of grievances arising out of alleged arbitrary action affecting the petitioner's legal right. Stop. The petitioner has contended that the impugned order passed by the competent authority is violative of the principles of natural justice in as much as no adequate opportunity of hearing was afforded prior to the passing of such order. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the action of the respondents is not only unjust but also contrary to the settled position of law. Stop. It is further argued that the authority concerned has failed to consider the material placed on record and has proceeded in a mechanical manner, thereby rendering the decision unsustainable in the eyes of the law. Stop. On the other hand, learned counsel appearing for the respondents has opposed the petition and submitted that the impugned action has been taken strictly in accordance with the applicable rules and regulations and that sufficient opportunity was granted to the petitioner at every stage. Stop. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and perusing the record, this court is of the considered view that adherence to the principles of natural justice is indispensable in administrative actions. Stop. Any order having civil consequences must be preceded by a fair and reasonable opportunity of being heard. Stop. In the present case, the record does not reflect proper compliance with such requirement. Stop. Accordingly, the impugned order is set aside. Stop. The matter is remanded back to the competent authority to pass a fresh order after affording due opportunity of hearing to the petitioner and considering all relevant material. Stop. The petitioner is directed to appear before the authority of a date to be fixed by the respondents. Stop. It is made clear that this court has not expressed any opinion on the merits of the case. Stop. The authority shall decide the matter independently and strictly in accordance with law, uninfluenced by any observations made herein. Stop. The writ petition stands disposed of in the aforesaid terms along with all pending miscellaneous applications, if any. Stop. No order as to costs is made in the peculiar facts and circumstances of the present case, and the parties are left to bear their own expenses. Stop.